Wow, we got the Bandit and a Cobra side by side. I just love the front end of this. I walk down the line. Look at that, he's got a book of it. I told him earlier, I didn't even know where they were going, but I just shouted out by the come and go, I want a picture of that car. I did not know there was a car show going on at the square here in Ozark, Missouri. But evidently, Bear, that takes wonderful photos, he posted some photos and he left a message. He said they're rolling in. So I jumped on my bike and got down here where I could still see them. Look at this. There's so much to look at. Look at that one. And then all back down that way, I got pictures. I just have to take my word for it. They're beautiful. Isn't that pretty? Let's go and follow this one. Oh, his hood. His hood is kind of vibrating. Why did I say hood? I mean trunk. Let's catch this one over here. While we got a chance. Look at that one. There's some pretty ones. Yeah, I've seen this dude before. Hey, good to see you.
Nice to see you.
I seen you had the headlights on, but I didn't, you know, the rack on it.
Okay.
I didn't notice that until today, or maybe it was yesterday.
I got it all done 2 days ago.
Yeah. Now tell us who you're honoring in this. I'm on video. It's your, what's the person's name you're honoring?
It was my mom. It was Leanne.
Leanne.
She fought 6 years with breast cancer just to watch me and my brothers grow up.
Wow.
And this was the last car she rode in, so it was going to be a Venom-themed car, but then when she had passed, I was like, I'm going to do something better.
Made it a tribute to her.
Yeah.
Okay. We had talked before and you told me that story, but I wanted to catch it on video. Appreciate it. You want to stand by and let me get a picture of you?
I'm camera shy.
I got you. No problem. Purring like a sewing machine. You gotta love it. Turn back around, look at this one.
That's a killer deal.
There you go with the siren. Look at that moonshine steel in the back. That is a moonshine steel.
I've never helped you, but I think it's my first.
Mustang again. There he goes rolling out. I got here just as they were starting to break up and drive off. beautiful. Now I'll show you this one and then I'll pause the video and go get in another spot. Ain't that pretty? They're just making a lap. Walk down the line. Look at that, he's got a book of it. That's what people need to do, is take pictures of them. I'm gonna thumb through it real quick. Wow, this has totally been rebuilt. I'm skipping through some. Oh man, look how many pictures it is. That is something. I can't do it justice, there's so many of them. Wow. Look at that. And that makes me want to take a whole second look at this one. Wow, we got the Bandit and a Cobra side by side. I just love the front end of this car. Now look at the Cobra. Look at the front end of that. They just don't even try to make good front ends anymore. This is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see that. It's got the autograph right there. Sometimes they put it right there, but I don't see it there. He's got the stick shift. Got the pipes. That gorgeous. Pickup truck right there. We started with this one by taking pictures and we're going to end with it, I think. I'll cut it off and then maybe restart it again later.